सुमित्रा मैडम, यस वी विल शेयर। इसका मतलब है नहीं निकल जाना, प्लीज बी हियर, डोंट डिपेंड अपॉन रिकॉर्डिंग्स, प्लीज बी हियर इन लाइव। Okay, let us start from candlestick patterns. Why candlestick patterns? Candlestick patterns are the signals, okay, signals we found to enter into the trade. Those are the confirmations. Yes, we know, uh, yes, we know in this location price is going to return. We have some supports and resistance, okay, price, we are waiting the price to return from that location, but we need one more confirmation, we need a lot of filters, right? So same way we need one more confirmation to take the trade. So that confirmation is given by candlestick patterns. Okay, so in candlestick patterns we have three kind, majorly we are using three patterns. One is a single candlestick pattern, double candlestick pattern, three candlestick pattern. Majorly we are using this. This simply think this is a candle and this is a blue candle, blue or green. Okay, in this blue or green, who are the people who are in this candle? Buyers or sellers? Buyers or sellers? ग्रीन कैंडल में कौन लोग होंगे? Whether buyers or sellers? Buyers, right, exactly. Kavita right, Shekharendra right, Abhijit right. समझो, this is a green candle. Once again, this is a green candle. Now tell me who are there here? Srinivasan. Okay, good. Yes. See, in every candle there are buyers and sellers. Vilvanathan, very good answer. In every candle there are buyers and sellers. Definitely there are buyers and sellers, but there are some maximum people, we consider that. Okay, take for example this total candle from top to bottom, it is 100%. 100% of candle. In 100% of candle, who are more? Buyers. Buyers are more in this candle. Okay, and sellers are also there in this candle. We need to find out what is the percentage of buyers and sellers. Okay, now tell me, look at this candle and tell me what is the percentage of buyers and sellers. Buyers का percentage और sellers का percentage क्या है? समझो इधर से इधर तक ये 100% कैंडल, 100%. Kavita says 70 sellers. VB good. Sumit good. Payas good. Pankaj good. Vilvanathan good. Harishankar good. Dinesh wrong. Basuraj good. I will tell you one formula to remember easily. Okay. I will tell you one easy formula. See, those who don't know the candlestick, uh, be concentrated here. This is the low of the candle. This is the high of the candle. The toppest point of the candle is the high always. It is not only wick or it is not only body. Toppest point of the candle is always high of the candle. Bottomest point, whatever, it is low of the candle. In this candle, this is the low and this is the high. So always remember this. And this is the open and this is a close because this is a green candle. Green candle में क्या होगा? Always market will open at low and close at high. These two lines are high, close and open and close. Green candle पे होगा open नीचे और closing is always at the top. ये दोनों लिए तो आप closing कभी भी top ही होगा green candle में. Okay. Sell candle में या red candle में closing will be always at the down. There is two levels, horizontal levels. So selling में नीचे वाला होगा closing, buying में ऊपर वाला होगा closing. Now, if anybody asks what is the percentage of buyers, you always look from the low to close. If anybody asks what is the seller percentage, you always look from the high to close. आपको मिल जाएगा very easily. See buyers, I am asking buyers. Low starting from 0. Low will be always starting from 0. Where is the close? This is the close. This is the close. Now what is the percentage? Almost 90%. Those who said 75%, 80%, it is okay. It is almost nearer. Okay. Buy is low to close. Sell is high to close. Where is the high? Here. Maximum 100. Where is the close? Here. It is almost 10%. Okay. So total 100%. Got it? Still, do you have any doubt? Sumitra madam, right? Exactly. Basuraj, artha agilva? Okay, this is the green candle. What I told, always look at the buyers. Buyers low to close. Sellers high to close. Okay. This is the low of the candle. This is the open of the candle. This is the close of the candle. And this is the high of the candle. Now look, what is the formula for buyers? Low. Low is always 0. Low starts always from 0. Basuraj, start from 0 and look at the close. This it is almost 90%, right? From 0 to 90, remaining is 10. This is 90%. Sellers, from here to here, it is 10%. Got it? Sellers always start from top. Buyers always start from bottom. Because of these buyers only, price went till here. Because of these sellers only, price came till here. Okay. और इस कैंडल का बोलो अभी. Tell me the strength of the buyers and sellers of this candle. Faiz, Mithun. Good. Almost all people are answering. Kapil, type it properly. Venkata, right? Sir, Sumitra madam, why you said properly for the previous question? Now you reverse. Why? Sumitra madam. Kapil, right? Shivram, right? Good, good. Everyone saying right. Okay, good. Now you understood well. Thanks. So, candlestick patterns, there will be a weakness in the candles when they were falling and going upside. When the stock is falling, all the candles shows weakness of buyers, but the strength of the sellers. Whenever it is moving up, in these candles, weakness of sellers and strength of the buyers. Because of the strength of the buyers, market will move upside. Because of the strength of the sellers, market will come down. Okay, got it. Now there is a reversal point we will be waiting. समझो इधर हमें रिवर्सल के लिए वेट कर रहा है. अभी इधर देखना है buyers कैसे घुस गए, how buyers has entered, whether that buyers are stronger or weaker. Only strong buyers can take the prices upside. Got it? Only strong seller can take the seller prices downside. So who is the strong buyer and who is the strong seller? समझो 50-50. Opponents are 50 and we are 50. Wait. If both buyers and sellers are 50-50, is there any strength any side? No, there is no strength any side. समझो one person is increased one side, still there is any difference? That will not make any much difference. समझो 5 लोग बढ़ गए, थोड़ा सा difference आ गए, 55 and 45. When 55 becomes 60 and 40, then little more increase, but that is not strong. They can fight, they can push for some meters away, or some they can push some meters away. That's all. But when the strength increases beyond 75 to 80%, then only we can say it is strong. Got it? Whom do you say like distinction? Do you say distinction for the people who got 55%, 60%, beyond 70%, right? Because your strength is going to increase beyond 75%. Because there is a possibility 40 people can what we say, they can destroy 60 people. 40 people can destroy 60 people easily, but 20 people, 25 people cannot destroy 75 people. 20 people cannot destroy 80 people. 10 people cannot destroy 90 people. This is how strength increases. That's why whenever you get the strength beyond 75%, समझो whether the buyers or sellers, if they are beyond 75%, आप समझना है the buyers or sellers are getting stronger, getting stronger. Then stock is falling, stock is falling. We got 75% buyers. A candle, we got a candle which is 75% buyers. Okay, stock was falling and समझो ये support है, support. Support पे आपको मिल गए 75% stronger candle. Now what is your decision? What is your decision? What's your decision? No. Yes, it is okay that you must understand that buyers are entering. That's all. No buying. Devendra, correct. You must understand that buyers abhi abhi aa rahe hai. It is a signal. That's all. It is a signal. Don't take buy entry. It is a signal. See, there is 75% of buyers, 25% of sellers. At any time, another 25% of sellers can come and join with sellers and it can become a 50-50. Yes or no? Murli Krishna, exactly right. Again, 25 people, sellers can come from other place and join hands with remaining 25. It becomes 50-50. That's the reason. Just have a plan that abhi aa raha hai. Yes, buyers are coming. Now what we need is 100% buyers. ये 75 लोग के साथ अभी 25 लोग जुड़ना है to show complete strength. Okay, now 224 Karnataka elections happened yesterday. Was the result 224 seats? Okay, now 122 is the number. Okay, so if they get 122, will they win? Oh, sorry, 112. If they get 112, will they win? No. इसका मतलब even after getting 100% of buyers, it means it is winning. No, we need 113. This is the confirmation. For that, we need 101% of buyers. Did you understand? Nobody says this. I am telling you like teaching like to the children. Understand this. We need higher percentage than 100%. इसका मतलब you are getting extra bonus. If somebody, समझो आपके पास 100% buyers है, if some people come from outside 20%, again this falls to 80%. Got it? So we need confirmation, higher confirmation. That's the reason you must have seen buy above this candle. इसका मतलब ये है from here when price moves above this candle, definitely it fills the 100% of buyers and some more than 100. That's the reason buy above this candle. Even if you get 100% of buyers in any candle, you must wait price to cross the high of that candle. Got it? Did you get the clarity? If you follow this, आपका losses कम होगा. सुबह सुबह नींद नहीं आना, नहीं सो जाना. Abdul Rahman ji, how are you? Abdul Rahman from Hyderabad, right? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Hemant Shah ji, even if you get 100% buyers candle, 100% मतलब open at low, close at the top, we call it as a Merebuzu candle. Even if you get 100% of buyers, there is no sellers at all. You must wait for the high to cross to make buy. I mean to make a buy trade. Got it? Same for the selling. If the candle has 100% sellers, then also you must wait for to cross the low of that candle to enter into the sell. Okay, now I hope you got it. Now single candlestick pattern मतलब ये है कैंडल्स में मोर देन 75% buyers या sellers रहना चाहिए. Okay, in a single candle we are getting the confirmation that buyers or sellers entered at the maximum level. Then we are going to take entry on the high or low of that candle. When we take high for the buying, when we take sell to break the low for selling. So first one is hammer and inverted hammer. कई बार क्लोजिंग पर एंट्री लेने के लिए पंकज जी, it is not like that. Trading is a probability game. We need a stronger confirmation than early entry. We need a stronger confirmation. There is two kind of entries. One is aggressive entry, one is safe entry. Okay, वो डिसाइड करना खुद आप कैसे पर्सन हो, what type of person you are. You are an aggressive trader, you are a safe trader. Yes, Niranjan ji. Hammer and inverted hammer. This is the hammer. See, in this hammer, it is low, it is the close. This is the close. This is the open. So we have 100% bias. 100% bias in each time frame candlestick pattern is. Yes, sir. Yes. किसी टाइम पे किसी टाइम फ्रेम पे देख रहे हैं आप, उसी टाइम फ्रेम पे देखना चाहिए. In this candle, this is also hammer, but this is a red candle. The open is here and close is here. Okay, it has almost 80% of buyers because from low to close 80% of buyers, the remaining are sellers. Okay, and here we how much buyers we have? From low to close 20% of buyers, and high to close sellers 80%. And you can see here buyers are from here to here, 20% of buyers and 80% of sellers. Is it correct? Is it correct? Yes. Now you can see is it correct? Then only one or two people are answering. इसका मतलब अब सारे लोग ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो. Whatever I am saying, you are listening. That's all. What is the percentage of buyers here? No, listen here. See, this is a red candle, right? This is a red hammer. Red hammer का close होएगा always at the bottom. This is the close. This is the open. पहले तो कैंडल को समझो. This is the open. This is the close. Got it? This is not the close. Because this is a red candle. Red candle always closes at the low. Open will be always at the top. Definitely for every candle there are two horizontal lines. This is upper and this is lower. Okay. For bullish it will be open, this will be closed. For bearish this will be open, this will be closed. Okay. So close and low are same. इसका मतलब ये है buyers are 0, sellers are 100%, because C and L are equal. Devendra ji, no 80% buyers. Buyers देखना है low to close is same. Okay, लिख के रखो. So here buyers are 20%, sellers are 80%. Whenever you get this kind of candle, understand what is the percentage. उसको 101% fill करने तक wait करो. उसका मतलब ये है अभी प्राइस ये 100% है ना. Price has to cross the high, then only 101% will happen. Got it? Got it? If you get the hammer, we call the name of this is a hammer. If you get hammer, there's different types of hammers. There will be a small, big and all. You need to understand. That's why I am teaching you this. There is 100%. अभी आप wait करना है 101% होने के लिए. We need one more person to add to give the strength. Whenever price crosses this, समझो high of this candle is 100 rupees. When it crosses 101 rupees, your buy should be triggered. Okay, इसका high पे क्रॉस करने से buy करना है, समझो. Yes, Srinivasan. Yes. Now these are the 80% buyers. We are using the same candle because this is beyond 75% of buyers. हमको चाहिए अभी 20% to fill the 100%, right? So 20 के साथ अभी 1% चाहिए. 21% we need. Aru Sukumar, any time frame. Okay. Now when price crosses the high of this candle, definitely 21% has finished. Because of the buyers only price is coming up, right? Sandeep, don't wait for the close and all. Whatever I am telling you, please listen to that properly. अभी इधर ये कैंडल पे 80% है. We need another 21%. When the 21% people happen, when price crosses this 20% and one more percent, okay, then your buy will trigger. For both the green hammer or red hammer, don't worry about the color. Buy above the high of that hammer. Got it? Same opposite to that for selling. This is seller 100%. We need one more percent. So that's the reason when it crosses the low of the inverted hammer, you must take the sell. And in this candle, we are already having 20% buyers. We need 20 more percent sellers plus 1% extra. So when price crosses the low of this candle, you must sell. This is the summary of all this explanation. Okay. So this is hammer and inverted hammer, single candlestick patterns. So regular hammer will be used to buy and inverted hammer will be used to sell. What is the percentage of buyers here in this hammer? There is a wick in that, right? Aruji on the cross of high and low, no on the closing. Ajoji 20% of buyers. How? Shivkumar 10% कैसे? Tanya ji, how it is 90%? Chetan is right. Srinivas 50-50. How 50-50%? See, it is beyond 50%. This is the 50%, right? This is beyond. Close is beyond 50%, maybe 60%, 60 to 70%, right? Yes, Parihar. Please, who are there here in this webinar, please rename yourself properly. I can call your name if you say something wrong, so that you can understand. You are also renaming your Zoom name as a Vivo SSKK. I cannot understand. Okay. So this is 50%. This is beyond 50%. इसका मतलब है maybe 60 or 70%. Now we need 100%, right? See, in this candle, price is crossing this here. इधर तक क्या होगा? 100% हो गए. When it cross the high of this candle, it become 101%. Got it? So that's where the buy triggers. समझ में आगा? Did you get it? I will increase the size of this. Okay. In this candle, there were some 40% sellers, 60% buyers. अभी हमको क्या चाहिए? In next candle, price has to cross the high, so that again buyers will come and fill this gap and become 100%. When it crosses 101% is your buy. Okay. So on the high of this candle is your buy. Always single candle pattern, hammer candle pattern पे high पे buy trigger होगा. As soon as your buy triggers, you must place the stop loss. Okay. Where do you place the stop loss? Look at the low of this candle. समझो after 101% also from somebody, maybe some other place, sellers has come, has started to increase 10%, 20%, 30%. समझो ये कैंडल पे सेलर्स आ गए. तो कितना सेलर्स आ गए? मोर देन 50%, 60%. नाउ बचे हुए हैं 40% and 60% सेलर्स आर घुस गए हैं. Got it? So when your stop loss should trigger when these sellers become 101% of these buyers. Already in this candle 100% is there. So sellers has to cover this total 100% of buyers. They have to consume all the buyers and then it has to hit the stop loss. उसको चाहिए 101% sellers. उसका मतलब ये कैंडल का लो होगा 101%. Got it? So that's the reason we keep stop loss. What is the low? You can see the low of this, maybe 38,600. Now keep 1% lower, like one or 2 points, 38,595, so that sellers cannot come to that place. Got it? Got it? So now you can see here the sellers has trying to push beyond 50%, but new buyers are able to enter and they took the prices upside, and again prices crossed above 101% of these sellers and price went upside. This is how always fightings will be happening between the buyers and sellers. Okay, Niranjan, that we will see later. See, which is the hammer which comes first after this much of fall? Niranjan ji, whether this hammer came or this hammer came? Niranjan ji, please answer. अरे भाई इधर देखो, इसका पहले ये आए है ना hammer. This is the hammer which come first. That's why you have to look at this hammer, not this. Got it? This is the initiation of buyers. Yes, buyers. Yes. तो पहला कैंडल देखना है. Yes, मिथुन. Yes. Okay. Let us check the inverted hammer. You can see this is the inverted hammer. What is the percentage of sellers? What is the percentage of sellers? Yes, it is beyond 80%, like 90, 10. Yes, like 90 and 10. Okay. Now what we need? Some more 10% of buyers, some 10 more percent of sellers we need. उसके साथ अभी एक ज्यादा होना चाहिए 101% के लिए. So ये कैंडल पे ये लो क्रॉस होगा ही ना. The low has crossed light. Low has crossed right. इसका मतलब 101% के ज्यादा आ गए sellers. After the low has crossing, your sell has triggered. As soon as your sell has triggered, you must place the stop loss above the high of this. थोड़ा gap देकर stop loss place करना. Okay. Now you can see the result. Okay. Have you understood the single candlestick pattern? Next, dragonfly doji, gravestone doji. डोजी मतलब ये है, whenever you find the word doji, इसका मतलब ये है closing and open are same. This is the open and this is the closing. Closing and open are same. Dragonfly doji को बोलेंगे when the closing and opening is at toppest point. Gravestone doji को बोलेंगे when the opening and closing at the lowest point of the day. अमित सभी करेंगे. Okay. Now in this candle, buyers कितना है, sellers कितना है? Exactly, good. Now इसका मतलब ये है, ये green hammer and doji, dragonfly doji, there is no difference. Got it? maybe looks are different, but buyers and sellers are different. No difference. Shyam Ganesh ji, no. KR Verma, no. 100% buy. देखो इधर open and close are same. Krishnamurti ji, open and close are same. Then how sellers will enter? It is the toppest point of the day. Okay. अभी देखो एक कैंडल देखो एक कैंडल देखो. Its open is here and close is here. Its open is here and close is here. But this is also having 100% buyers. Abdul Rahman ji, Rahim ji, it is not neutral. Dragonfly Doji and this is not neutral. Abdul Rahim ji, neutral क्या कब होगा? 50-50% होगा तो होगा. So इधर पे 50-50% नहीं है ना. It is clear cut that we have 100% of buyers. And how much is the sellers? Sellers 0. Got it? Barjatya. Now this candle and this candle are same. Looks are different. But buyers and sellers are same. मैं इतना टाइम लिया आपको समझाने के लिए. अरे भाई ऐसा आपको कैंडल आए तो भी ऐसा कैंडल आए तो भी strength is same. This is the summary of all this explanation. Mithun ji, there will be no color for the Dragonfly Doji. When the price closes, open and close is same, there will not be a color. Raju Jain, where does price has gone down? See, how does this will form? I will explain you. Lot of people are having some experience. Please bear with me because a lot of new people are there. They are not able to understand. राजीव जैन जी, अभी देखो ओपन कहाँ पे हुआ? इधर हुआ. समझो, मैं नीचे लिखता हूं. Okay, I will write in the bottom. राजीव जी, समझो इधर पे ओपन हुआ, 100 rupees पे ओपन हुआ. This is the open. As soon as entry, immediately sellers entered and took the prices to the lowest point of the day. This is the low. Okay, ये नीचे लेके चले गए. And this is where the point where lot of buyers will be waiting to buy. That is the fair price for them. कितना समझो, ये 50 rupees. 50 rupees is the cheapest price for them. So every buyer has rushed to buy the price. Because of this, price again came back to the high of the day, that is near to the cost, and at the cost it has closed because market has closed. In olden days, people were rushing inside the movie theater. They were rushing. Okay, when they were rushing, immediately the door will be closed. So people will be pushing and waiting there. Now they are at the door. This candle has closed at the top here because the door is closed. Door matlab market close ho gaye. So there is a pressure. People will be pushing. As soon as tomorrow, when for the next show door opens, suddenly what will happen? Suddenly what will happen? अरे भाई आंसर करो, आपके लिए मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं. राजीव जैन, आप कभी मूवी नहीं गए क्या? Yes, definitely. It pushes the price in that direction. समझो ये नीचे वाला कैंडल हो, ऊपर वाला कैंडल हो, whatever. Whenever it closes at the toppest point of the day, lowest point of the day, Next, on the opening, it will push the price in that direction. That's where people take BTST, STBT. Yes, sir, Mohammad Usman ji, exactly right. Every time frame, Murli Krishna ji, every time frame, every candle has its own strength. Got it? Those who asked this question, can you understand what I said? So this is the action happened. This is the action happened inside this candle. Okay. I hope you have understood. Now, this candle strength and this candle strength is also same, because buyers are 0, sellers are 100%, sellers are 100%, buyers are 0. Okay. Ah. Let us these dojis are very rare. That kind of dojis are very rare. Okay. You can see this one. It is very rare because it will be having wick, little bit of wick we can see. So if you find anywhere, you can tell me. I will also see. It is very rare. Okay. So I will find it out and I will send you later, because time will consume. A lot of time will consume. Okay. So dragonfly doji मतलब ये है. This is the dragonfly doji. इसका मतलब ऐसे. Okay. Dragonfly doji will be ऐसे. Dragonfly. So gravestone doji मतलब ये है. तो gravestone मतलब gravestone को एक what we say, rock, we put a rock for the grave, right? उसको बोलेंगे gravestone. This is the earth and this is the stone. That's the, see, all these are from Japanese language and from English. Okay. We can, Indians, we can say inverted doji. Inverted doji. This is the regular doji. Ganeshwar Rao ji. Sir, anyway, the doji, this kind of dragonfly doji and this doji, it is very tough. Definitely, it is very tough to find. So let us move to the double candlestick. First one is bullish engulf. Second one is bearish engulf. Bullish engulf we used to buy. Buy लेने के लिए हमें ये use करेंगे. This will appear when market is falling and when it comes to the support. गिरते हुए मार्केट पे प्राइस कभी सपोर्ट को आएगा ना, तभी आपको मिलेंगे ये बुलिश एनगल्फिंग पैटर्न. Whenever you get this bullish engulfing pattern, that is a signal of buying. Okay, the confirmation is again the high of the second candle is the trigger entry. Bullish engulf में होगा दो candle. Okay, first one is a regular falling candle, red candle, regular red candle, because it is already falling, market is falling. And now next we are going to get a candle which covers the high of this candle, because this total candle is a 100% of sellers, right? इधर से इधर तक 100% सेलर है. So इसको हराना तो क्या करना, बायर्स इसका सारे 100% सेलर्स को खा जाना. गॉट इट? ये 100% सेलर्स को खा जाना. अभी इसको 1% ज्यादा रहना चाहिए. Now we need one more candle which crosses the high of this, a green candle, and closes above the high of this. Got it? It is a green candle. अभी क्या हो गए? We got higher buyers than the sellers in the previous candle. Now we have 100% buyers in this candle, maybe 95%, but this 100% sellers has been swallowed by this buyer candle. Now these buyers are over. These last sellers are over. अभी इसमें आपको एंट्री होगा on the cross of high of this candle. Is your entry. Okay. Any doubts? This bullish engulf will come at the support of the stock. Okay, there we need one red candle which is totally covered by a green candle. उसका भी बड़ा होना चाहिए. మురళీ కృష్ణ సార్, ఇక్కడ కాన్సంట్రేట్ చేయండి సార్. ఎక్కడో వెళ్ళిపోతారే మీరు. We will go there later. This is the bullish engulf. It is a buying signal. It means buyers are taking over the control. Buyers are taking over the control. Now see, price is falling. You can see this candle crossing the high of this red candle and closing the above that candle. इसका मतलब सारे 100% सेलर, प्रीवियस कैंडल का 100% सेलर को ये बायर्स खा गए हैं. And closing above the high of 100% of the previous candle, we got confirmation that buyers are entered. Yes, Riya ji. Yes. Sandeep Garla ji, wick also included in the 100%. 100% में wick, bottom wick, top wick दोनों आ जाएगा 100% में. Why do we gauge only body? Body is not the 100%. मुझे ले लो इधर पर, इधर इधर तक मेरा 100% होगा क्या? ये सर्वे होगा ना 100% के लिए? ओके, दिस इज गिवन कंफर्मेशन दैट buyers has entered. हमें एंट्री के लिए क्या चाहिए? क्या चाहिए? What we need for the entry? So this candle has almost 80% of buyers. What we need? If you don't show energy, even I will also sleep. I am very sleepy. मैं 24 hours में 25 hours I will sleep. वैसा आदमी मैं. Yes, 101%. For that price has to cross the high of this candle. This is the buy. Yes, Pankaj ji, right? So this is the buy on the cross of the this green candle. समझ में आ गए क्या? Whatever I am telling you is this is the safest entry. So your entry is here. So lot of people are asking what is the target? Target part is not here. अभी मैं नहीं बोला target को. अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ entry pattern. There is a default target for every pattern, that is 1:1. It is a default pattern 1:1. समझो इधर से इधर तक कितना है? Take the height of this and this much height is the target. ये आप रखना default target 1:1. Okay. Now see here, there is a red candle, there is a green candle. It is not crossed the total body and closed. Okay, it crossed only 90% and came back and closed at 50% of this candle. And the next candle वो 50% से शुरू होगा हो गए और इसका 100% क्रॉस कर दिए. Now see here, it has crossed the high of this red candle. कौन सी कैंडल? ये तीसरा कैंडल. Okay, and closed above that 100% of the seller candle. ये बोलेंगे हम 3 candlestick pattern. और you can, if you can blend, add करो इसको. add करने को आपको समझ में आ गए तो add कर लो. इधर पे आपको 100% बायर मिल गई and 101% भी क्रॉस हो गए. This is your buy and this is your stop loss. चरण वो बाद में देखेंगे, वो इनसाइड आउटसाइड whatever. We need 101% buyers to take the entry. वो समझ में रखो. Okay, this is your entry. Okay, this is your stop loss. This is up move. Engulf candles are powerful. You can see one more engulf here. You can see almost near to the engulf, but not engulf, but engulfing is happened here. This is the engulf again, and this is one more engulf here. This is the engulf. This is the engulf. Okay, this is the engulf. And this is the engulf. near to the engulf, not completely engulf. When it cross the high of this is going to be the engulf, and this is engulf. This pattern will work all the F&O, crypto, everywhere. Technical analysis is a universal analysis. Okay. So what would be the requirement for the first candle? हेमंत जी, market गिरते रहना चाहिए और at the end of the fall there should be a red candle. After red candle we need a green candle. That's all. This green candle should close above the high of this red candle. Simple. It should close above the high of this red candle. See that percentage of buyers and sellers is an advanced concept I have taught you. आपको थोड़ा दिमाग है तो you can use that in many ways. If you can understand only buyers and sellers, that is enough. You don't need candlestick pattern at all. You don't need candlestick pattern at all. Okay. अभी देखेंगे bearish engulfing pattern. So whenever market is moving up and up and up, it will be creating green candles. Okay. And we will get one more green candle at the top of the movement, and we will get a red candle which crosses the low of this and closes below the low of this. इसको बोलेंगे bearish engulf. ओके. रिकॉर्डिंग मिलेगा सभी को, रिकॉर्डिंग मिलेगा 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 मिलेगा. So you got a red candle which crossed the low of this green candle and closed. आपको इधर का एंट्री कहाँ पे है? On the break of the low of this candle is the only entry. If the low is not broken, don't ever take the entry. If the high of the bullish engulf is not broken, don't ever take the entry. Lot of wrong things are teaching in the market. YouTubers and some other coaches. What they are teaching? Whenever immediately red candle का engulf हो गए ना, a body का engulf हो गए तो बस आप ले लो इधर. नहीं है. I am teaching you this by my experience. सारा filter में आ जाएंगे. सारा fake trades will come under this filter. You will be in the safe trades, safe entry. Okay. See, this is a green candle in an up movement, last green candle. You can see the red candle which is crossing the low of this candle and closing below this. And where is your entry? If the low of this red candle is broken, this is your entry. Where is the stop loss? Stop loss will be at the high of this location. Your stop loss. Target will be default 1:1, and later I will tell you how to increase the target. That is different. Look at this. This is the engulf. This is the engulf. Bearish engulf should cross the low of previous green candle. It is a must. Not only body. Okay. I told you one point. Do you remember? What is the location of this pattern to take? What is the location? Yes, Payas, exactly right. Let me understand. कितने लोग ये आपको दिमाग में रखा है? चेतन, मैं कभी नहीं बोला टॉप में करके. I did not told you like it should be Jitendra, right? मैं बोला था buying, bullying, sorry, बुलिश एनगल्फ को लेना है सपोर्ट में, उसको देखना है सपोर्ट में. बेरिश एनगल्फ को देखना है रेसिस्टेंस पे. गॉट इट? ये देखो इधर पे रेजिस्टेंस है. व्हाई दिस हैज वर्कड सो वेल? द रीजन इज दिस. हमारा कुत्ता हमारा गली में शेर. गॉट इट? द सिग्नल्स विल वर्क ओनली इन इट्स प्लेटफॉर्म. गॉट इट? देखो हाउ वेल इट हैज वर्कड. यस तनय. Here is one more engulf. Here is one more engulf kind of setup, but this is not engulf because it never closed below the low of this. समझ में आएगा? You can see this is the engulf and this is the engulf. This is the engulf because this red candle is closed below the low of this green candle. This is the engulf at the resistance. मिडिल में नहीं देखना भाई, मिडिल में नहीं देखना. I will teach you how to find out the proper resistance. उधर पे ये देखना है. engulf, engulf, मिथुन भाई 30 मिनट्स में नहीं है, किसी टाइम फ्रेम भी देख सकते हैं. आप बोलो क्या टाइम फ्रेम में देखना, वो टाइम फ्रेम में दिखाएंगे. In every time frame this will work, but strength will differ, that's all. Bearish angle, bearish angle. ಮುರಳಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರೇ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Five minutes time frame and 5 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame and 5 minutes time frame. अरे भाई वो निकाल देंगे, वही कंफ्यूजन. 5 minutes time frame. Okay, 5 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame. Got it? Did you get the clarity? Now we finished bullish engulf and bearish engulf. Okay, and two more we have: piercing pattern, dark cloud cover. Okay, first we look at piercing pattern. piercing pattern and dark cloud cover also can be seen only at the supports and resistances. कभी भी आप बाइंग करना है तो सपोर्ट पे सिग्नल देखना चाहिए, सेल करना है तो रेसिस्टेंस पे सिग्नल देखना चाहिए. ओके, वी आर वेटिंग टू बाय एट द सपोर्ट. सिग्नल इज द सपोर्ट फॉर अस टू टेक द एंट्री विथ कॉन्फिडेंस. सो गिरते हुए मार्केट पे एंड ऑफ द मूवमेंट यू विल गेट अ रेड कैंडल. आफ्टर दैट इफ यू गेट एनी ग्रीन कैंडल which is closing above the 60% of this candle, 60% of previous red candle. If this next candle is closing above the 60% of this red candle, is called piercing pattern. मेरा handwriting अच्छा नहीं है, try to understand. So most of people are considering piercing pattern if it crosses 50% of the red candle and closes, it is considerable. But I am telling you 60% को क्रॉस करना जरूरी है. This is based on my experience. Once it crosses the 60% and closes above that, this is called piercing pattern. अभी देखो, we have from here to here sellers 100%. Yes, yes. This red candle is 100% starting from the top of the candle. Now we have covered almost here. Maybe this candle is covered at 80%. It is closing at the 80% of this red candle. Now how much buyers we need? चार्ट नहीं दिख रहा है. Yes, yes, exactly. Everybody is right now. You are in track. Now हमें चाहिए next price opens anywhere it can open next, and it has to cross this high. Whenever this high is crossed, your entry triggered. Simple. Whenever the high is crossed, your entry is triggered. Stop loss कहाँ होंगे? The low of this both candle, whatever the lowest low, that is the stop loss. ये कैंडल लोएस्ट है ना, इसका नीचे स्टॉप लॉस. ये एंट्री टारगेट कितना होगा? सेम 1:1. ओके, अभी देखेंगे कितना मिलेंगे आपको एंट्रीज. ये देखो, और did you get it? You can see this. It is near to the high but never crosses the high of this and closed, but it is closing near to the high, and it crossed the high of 50 more than 60% of this candle. Okay, in this pattern you will get a lot of entries. You can see this beyond 60%, and this is your entry. चल गए ऊपर. See, this is exactly at the 50%. It is not valid. Let us move to higher time. You will get a lot of entries using this. It's already in the. This one. And this one. Where is the blue line, sir? There is no blue line. कहाँ पे है? अरुण जी, सुकुमार. Where is the blue line? Nobody is seeing that. Anybody can see the blue line here? At the chart, anybody is seeing blue line? No. Aruji, nobody is seeing blue line. Only you are looking at blue line. I don't know. You people will not be in the present. That's the problem. Okay. Whenever you are learning, be at the present. Don't go to the past, don't go to the future. Reduce my zoom. कैसे? It is 100%, sir. आपको ऐसा होना चाहिए क्या? You cannot see this. Okay, I hope that, I mean, piercing is clear. Piercing is clear, right? Piercing is clear, right? अभी चलेंगे डार्क क्लाउड कवर को. When there is a uptrend and the uptrend reaches to the resistance at a final green candle, there is a final green candle, you will find one more red candle which is beyond the 60% of this candle closing. Okay, this is the red candle which closes below the 60% of this candle. इसको बोलेंगे डार्क क्लाउड कवर. Okay, obviously where is the entry? On the break of low of this green candle. What kind of entry? Short entry or sell entry. Where is your stop loss? Here is your stop loss. What is your target? The height of this. Okay. Sir, I will tell you simple way. It is nothing but near to the engulfing. That's all. Engulfing, what happened? In a single shot, it covered the previous candle, but here we are waiting for another candle to cover. That's all. This is piercing. And this is piercing. Sorry, very dark cloud cover. You can see this. This is bearish engulfing. This is dark cloud cover. This is dark cloud cover. This is the dark cloud cover. And this is the dark cloud cover. Okay, this is the dark cloud cover. Got it? Is it clear? Sumitra madam, this is a green candle. And we need a red candle which crosses the 60% of this from upside and to close below the 60%, not from the bottom, from the top. Okay. It means it is going to cover 60% of buyers of the previous candle. This is the meaning of this. It is going to swallow all the 60% of the buyers of the previous green candle and closing below the 60%. इसका मतलब it is giving closing. Somebody, your opponent has come to your area. Samjho you are done. Sumitra madam, you are done. Okay. Somebody else is from different place and you are from your place. You are done at your place. Somebody is coming to your place. He is killing 60 people, and on that night he is staying in your area. What is the meaning of that? He is having a strength. Okay, he killed 60% of people and he is still there. He is not running away to his place. It means he is strong. It means the selling got stronger. Now, if he killed remaining 40 people, now he become the strongest person. Got it? New done. New done. Next done. Yes. Yes, closing will be lesser than 60%. See, that's why I told you percentage of buyers and sellers. I have given an idea. If you understand that, you don't need any pattern, you don't need any setup. Okay, you can trade. Okay, let us proceed. Now let us move to 3 candlestick patterns. First one is a morning star, next one is evening star. Those star. Morning star and evening star. So morning star is the pattern for buying. Evening star pattern is for selling. Same story again. This pattern should come at the support. Okay. If not, it will create its support. इसका मतलब this is the speciality of this pattern. These 3 candlestick pattern, morning star and evening star, will create its own level. समझो market गिर रहा है, and the end of the market there will be obviously red candle because it is a falling market, and after this red candle you will find a doji or a narrow candle. समझो it can be doji, small doji or a narrow candle. Narrow candle का मतलब छोटा सा candle. After that, you can see a green candle. You can see a green candle. This is the morning star. इसको बोलेंगे हमें morning star. Got it? Now there is three things you must understand here. समझो इसका closing कहाँ पे हुआ है. We need a clarity of this. Now this candle is having from here to here. There is a sellers. From here to here there are 100% sellers. Yes or no? There are 100% sellers. समझो ये कैंडल ग्रीन कैंडल ये 100% का ऊपर क्लोजिंग दे दिया एक ही बार, बस आपका बाइंग ट्रिगर हो जाता है इसका हाई पे. इफ नॉट नहीं दे दिया समझो, so obviously we know that is a weakness. We need 101%. 101% कब खत्म होगा? When price crosses the high of this candle. That's where trigger is going to happen. Got it? Tell me if you understood or not. This is a red candle and this is a narrow candle, might be doji or whatever, and if it closes above this, okay, now it is not closing above this 100%. इसका मतलब ये है बाद में प्राइस इसको हाई को क्रॉस करना है, यही पे आपको बाइंग ट्रिगर होता है. सपोज a single candle has already closed above this level. Now you don't need to wait for any signal. Go above this high. Srirang, understood? Narrow can be a red, green, whatever. Yes. Okay. And there is some tricks on this. वो क्या होता है ना? If you remember not, I will tell you. This is my duty. समझो ऐसे आ गए कैंडल. You need to buy above the red candle high. Point number 1. समझो एक ही कैंडल आपको क्लोजिंग दे दिए. आप दो काम कर सकते हैं. One, you can take 100% buy when it crosses the high of this, or on the close of this candle itself you can buy 50%. You can buy 50% and mark the half of this candle. Next, if price comes to this level, you buy remaining 50%. Add remaining 50%. Got it? Is it clear? Oh my God, lot of sleepy people are there. Today non-veg or what? Amit Sihani ji. Amit Sihani ji, I will tell. Okay, I will show in the chart. I will show in the chart. Wait. चले जाएंगे चार्ट को. You can see market is falling. This is the falling market. We got a last red candle and we got one narrow candle. It is like small body with both the sides wicks, and you can see this candle which is not crossing the high of this candle. It is closed here. This is morning star. Okay, there are different types of morning star. That is strongest morning star, weakest morning star. That is different. अभी तक अभी ये देखो, now we need this high to cross. ये कैंडल पे आपको बाइंग आ गए. First clear this. This is the first kind of morning star. Whenever it crosses the high, you got triggered your buying. Okay, this is the first thing. Again, if you buy here, you can buy 100%, that is your wish, or you can buy 50% and you can mark the 50% of this candle. ये कैंडल को 50% डिवाइड करके एक लाइन डाल के छोड़ दो. ओके, whenever this price comes to this level, you can add 50%. Stop loss will be same here at the lowest point. Is it clear? Naveen Kumar, 50% means you are buying 100 stocks. You must buy 50 stocks at the trigger entry, and you must buy another 50 stocks at the 50% of this candle. You can see in a single candle, this green candle has closed above the high. Okay, in this you can immediately take at the opening of the candle or at the close of the candle itself, you can take the trade 50%, because in a single shot it is a closing above the red candle. Okay, you can take already 50% position. Whenever it comes to the half of this candle, you take another 50%. Got it? Got it or not? Okay. समझो वो मॉर्निंग स्टार होता है ना, that will create its own support. वही होगा आपका support. Next, the low of that support break means definitely market is going to reverse. Shekharendra Kumar. What is your question? Shekharendra Kumar, you do one thing. आप दोबारा ये watch करो video. I will give you this recording. Okay. You note your doubts and you can watch it. I have explained everything clearly, pin to pin. Yes, Shyam Ganesh. Now let us move to evening star. Okay. Evening star will appear at the resistance, or it will create its own resistance when there is a uptrend. In uptrend, definitely you will get a green candle at the top. After green candle, there will be a narrow candle or a doji candle. Narrow candle matlab always understand, body will be smaller. There will be a wick, body will be smaller. Okay. And thank you, PKG. Next, you will get a red candle. Red candle, it can close near to this or in a single shot. Sometimes a red candle which can close below the close. Both can also happen. Now, where is your entry? On the closing of this, you can take 50% short position and another 50% short positions. Mark the 50% of this big red candle. When price comes to here, you can take 50% more short and your stop loss will be here. Got it? Target will be height of this. This is a default height. I will also give you one nugget. Okay. If you have patience, you can do very safe trading. I need perfect profits. Whenever you get this pattern, इधर पे नहीं लेना, रुक जाओ, इधर पे एंट्री करो, आपका 100% एंट्री इधर करो. Whenever you get 1:1 of this target, your profits will be like 1:3, because आपका stop loss होगा छोटा 50%. Now this 50% is your profits, another 100% is your profits. 1:3 profits. This is up to you. Okay. This is the evening star. Once the evening star high is broken, market is going to reverse. राजू, पहला आपका आंख को यूज करना सीखो. Indicator is next. Okay, indicator will not give you proper signals. Basuraju sir, you must always find out using your eyes. That is the best way. That is the best way. No computer is better than human in decision. It can be fast. Yes, madam. Morning star, matlab, it will come in the bottom. Morning, it will wake up right from the earth. It's a buy. Evening star matlab it is from top for sell. I hope this is clear. Okay. Can we proceed to support and resistance? Okay. You need break? Can we take 5 minutes break? Okay, we will have 5 minutes break. Okay, let us start. Okay. Support and resistance. What is the support and resistance? My voice is clear, right? What is support and resistance? Imaginary levels. Then proceed. Whatever you know, you tell me. There are a lot of people are there already trading. Yes, like that. Demand and supply support means market turnaround good. Yes, you have to show like this your energy. There are three types of supports and resistances. One is like mathematical supports and resistances. Two, real supports and resistances. Third, geometrical supports and resistances. Mathematical support and resistances are nothing but your calculations. Some people will give the levels like either पे आपको resistance मिलेगा, resistance लगेगा, and buy above this level, sell below this level. आप उधर जाके देखा तो आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. In front of your eyes, you cannot see any supports and resistances, but still they say that is support and resistance. Because of using some mathematical formulas, calculations, they say ये लेवल ब्रेक किया तो ऊपर चलेगा, ये लेवल ब्रेक किया तो नीचे चलेगा, इधर से रिवर्स होगा. ऐसा नो. Those are called mathematical levels. Real support and resistances are the historical movements happened. Historical previous movements happened. Whatever the actions happened previous, that is considered to be a real support and resistance. Geometrical support and resistance are nothing but it is also calculated support and resistances where that is going to appear using trend lines. Okay. Sir, Kashi link, please, whenever we are talking, listen to this. There are a lot of time. I will give you some time to ask all your questions. Geometrical support resistance is nothing but a trend line. It is a geometrical support and resistance. You know, sometimes price will be moving and it will be taking support here. You don't know there is no support at all here. but it is taking support. So how? It is a geometrical support. Okay, let us discuss that support and resistance. So real support and resistance. First of all, most of the time we consider this a real support and SNR. Earlier in the in the past, in the history, price is already visited to that location and it has taken a U-turn from there and moved very huge from there. Okay, and somewhere it has taken a U-turn and moved somewhere very huge from there. हमें इसको बोलेंगे, ये स्विंग हाइस एंड दिस स्विंग लोस को बोलेंगे resistance and supports. Supports will be always the bottoms. The price taken U-turn from the bottom to upward is called support. इसके पहले प्राइस गिरता था, एक पॉइंट पे वो U-turn ले लिया और ऊपर चले गए, उसको बोलेंगे हमें सपोर्ट लेवल. Because buyers has given a support to the price and taken to the upside. Okay, either sellers has given resistance to the buyers and push the prices downside. Okay, got it? इसको बोलेंगे real support and resistance. Okay, why do you consider this? In next coming future also, this is going to help us to give support. This is resistance will give help to find out the resistance. Okay, चार्ट पे चलेंगे. अभी इधर देखो, price went upside. From here it has taken a U-turn and fell so much till here. Now it was falling and from here it has taken a U-turn, went upside. Now this is a resistance and this is the support. इसको बोलेंगे हम support. So whenever price approaches to this level, again price will take a U-turn from here to upside. Whenever price approaches to this level, it will take a U-turn from here and come down. Okay, let us see. You can see here exactly at the same level, price taken U-turn and went up. Again, second time it take U-turn and went up. Third time it taken support and went up. Okay, got it? This is how price is going to react. Hemang ji, those who have a doubts of any time frame, it is of any time frame, this support and resistance will work. Samjho sir, Hemang ji, and so many people are asking the same question. Every time frame में ये support and resistance काम करेगा. समझो, छोटा सा टाइम फ्रेम में आपको सपोर्ट ले लिए तो उसका स्ट्रेंथ छोटा होगा. Okay, strength is come. If you take support in the higher time frame, the strength is higher. This is the difference. That's all. You don't have much difference. Yes, Praveen. Hemang ji, did you understand? Praveen, that is different concept. Hemang ji, so gaye kya? See, once you ask the question, listen to the answer. Fast. Yes, it is not 52 week. No. आपका हिस्ट्री पहले का. ओके, अभी देखो प्राइस इधर से रिवर्स हुआ, इधर से रिवर्स हुआ. व्हाट इज दैट लेवल? 17,750, right? So let us see what has happened. 17,760, sorry, ये लेवल पे 17,760. See, from here, market opened and immediately you can see a fall from here. That is the reaction. That is the reaction you can expect from the supports and resistances. Okay. What was the previous level we have taken? This one. Exactly this one. You can see. You can see price is struggling to go break this level in this level. We can see some 40 points fall from here and later it has broken this and went up. Okay. The thing you must concentrate here is the support and resistance and the activity. Never ever expect the reversal from that location. आपको क्यों चाहिए supports and resistance? For some reaction, not for the reversal. Reversal is different, reaction is different. Okay. समझो आपको ए रेजिस्टेंस पे आ गए, ए रेजिस्टेंस से आपको कितना गिरा? Almost 40 points गिरा. That's the reaction. Okay. Reversal is this. ये bottom था, it was a support. Price came to this level and reversed. This is different. A reversal मतलब बहुत ज्यादा चलेगा. Reaction मतलब थोड़ा reaction देगा. Got it? Okay. Next, at support, if you take according to the candlestick entries, okay, that will work very well. इधर पे क्या? If you find any kind of reversal pattern here, no, you don't find. Okay, you don't find it. Again, you can see there is a support here. So price from here went upside, again came down, and from here it went upside. This is how supports and resistances will work. There is one more support here, and from here again price went upside. Got it? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Ravinji, yes. I think no questions. Can we proceed? You can see engulfing pattern here. You can see engulfing pattern here. You can see morning star candle here. Yes, Mithun, exactly. Okay. Now let us look at the geometrical supports and resistances. Okay. अभी हमें देखा है real supports and resistances. इसके साथ अभी एक one more thing I want to tell you. Whenever this support and resistance breaks, समझो ये support है, this is a support. Whenever this support breaks, price, these supports turn into resistance. Next time, whenever this resistance breaks, this resistance turns into support. Flip flop, इसको बोलेंगे flip level. Flip level. Resistance turned into support and support turned into resistance. आप ग्राउंड फ्लोर में है, this is the first floor, this is the second floor. Okay, for the ground floor people, this roof is resistance. समझो आप चले गए ऊपर, using steps you went into first floor. Now ये resistance become your support. You are going to stand here and आपका resistance होगा ये roof. Yes, we can also say it as a change of polarity, whatever. So बाद में आप इधर चले गए तो ये आपको support हो जाएगा. Same resistance turn into support, support turn into resistance. वो भी देख लेंगे. Now see, earlier this was a resistance. When this has broken, now this resistance turned into support and this turned into support. Okay, there are different types of support. That is flip support also one of the support and resistance. And there is one more resistance here. This resistance easily broken here. This is going to be the support in the next coming days. So is it clear? Can we proceed to trend lines? Trend lines. Trend lines are geometrical supports. Okay, trend lines are geometrical supports. Price is creating swings and moving in a single direction. Whenever it is moving in a single direction, if it is moving in a up direction or down direction, there are two directions. If it is moving in a single direction like up direction, always look at the lows, swing lows. Whenever it is moving in a down direction, always look at the swing highs. Okay, always look at the swing highs. Now come to the second point. Whenever it is moving upside, look at the recent two swing lows. Recent. What is the recent? This is the first recent swing low. This is the recent second swing low. Okay. We need a recent two swing lows and join them and extend them to the future. Next, when price comes to this area nearby, it will take a support of this. इसको बोलेंगे हमें geometrical. Okay, definitely there is no real support here. You can see there is no real support, but there is a geometrical support. That is what here it is working, and from here it will bounce upside. Okay, same way whenever it is falling, look at the recent two swing lows, swing highs, 1 and 2. Join both and extend them. Next time when price is reaching to that area, it will take a resistance and it will fall. Use these locations to trade. The same, it is a support and resistance now, and use the candlestick pattern there to take the entries. Clear? Now see, when price was here and coming downside, now I have a swing low, first swing low and second swing low, recent one. Don't go to backside. recent two swing lows are enough to trade for the current. You need recent two swing lows to trade. Okay, take a trend line and join these two swing lows. Okay, join these two swing lows. Next time when price approaches to this area is your buy. Now इधर क्या हो गए? The price has already opened below the trend line. Price is already opened below the trend line. So it turned bearish. Okay. Suppose if price is touching this trend line, it could have a buy. अभी price open हो गए नीचे से. So now what is your turn? When price hits this resistance, then you can take a sell trade. Okay. Then you can take a sell trade. I will tell you how to filter that sell trade using trend line. Okay. Let us go to little higher time frame. See, there are swing low, swing low. This is the swing low 1, swing low 2. Okay. When price is here, then only you are going to draw this. It is not now. There is a lot of line. Please delete unnecessary line. Sir, you don't look at there. उसको नहीं देखना, मैं क्या ड्रा कर रहा हूँ उसको देखना. Okay, you don't know the power of trend lines, sir, because these trend lines are already drawn maybe some 6 months back, 1 year back, 2 years back. I have a trend lines which I have drawn on 2019. That is the power of trend line. Okay, there are a lot of secrets, sir. There are a lot of secrets. So 1 and 2, you never get anywhere touching trend line to take a buy. Okay, here you can see a strong break of the trend line. Now this turned bearish. Later, without any effort, see what a strongest sell. We say this car 10 star trading strategy. इसको हमें बोलेंगे 10 star trading strategy. I will show you at the end of the session. I will give you 10 star trading strategies using only trend lines. इसको कुछ नहीं चाहिए आपको, only trend line and price action. So this is the power of sell. Okay, nowhere later it touched anywhere. No, आपको समझो third touch मिला था तो you must have to trade third touch in the trend line. Obviously you will be drawing recent two swing lows. You will extend the trend line. Next, when the price is touching third time, this is the first and second. When it is touching third time, you must take the trade using candlestick pattern. How to identify? Riya madam, why I have given this example is there is no recent two swing lows. That's the reason. समझो हमें इधर पे था, ये नहीं बनाया अभी, तब ये ट्रेंड लाइन ड्रा किए हैं. ओके, अभी सोचो, what are two swing lows, recent two swing lows, this one and this one. Okay, you can take a trend line and join them. Okay, in future, if price comes to this area, is your support. It will take a support and go upside. Okay, so let us take some other stocks. See, from swing high and swing high, two recent swing highs को join किया था, and third entry this much of profits we got. Fourth entry this much of profits we got. Fifth trade has broken and went upside. समझो ये नीचे आ गए. 10-star trading strategy is waiting for us.
Sorry.
Let us take this swing low and swing low. Okay, somewhere it is going to offer you the trade. Look at here and look at here. Whenever price is above the trend line, it is support, and when it is below the trend line, it is resistance. This is how you will be getting, even in the trend line, you are getting flips. Yes, Mithun. Yes, that is what I am showing you. It is broken here. It is broken. Then this trend line turned into resistance, and again it has broken. Then this trend line turned into support. मैं क्या बोला आपको? Third touch. In the third touch, if you get the candlestick pattern, you should not miss it. इधर पे कोई आपको बाइंग पैटर्न मिला क्या मिथुन जी? हेमंग जी, देखो, did you get any buy here? No. Then why do you worry? It has broken. हेमंग जी, अभी इधर क्या मिल रहा है आपको? What is this? The resistance. That's the reason it is falling. इधर आपको कोई सेलिंग पैटर्न मिल रहा है क्या? अभी ये रेजिस्टेंस हो गया ना, ये रेजिस्टेंस हो गया अभी. सो कोई सेलिंग पैटर्न मिल रहा है क्या? नो. देन व्हाई नीड टू वरी? ब्रेक करने दो, ब्रेक करने दो. Whenever you get entry, then only you need to worry. You did not get the entry candles. That's the reason we are learning patterns. Okay. Now, whenever here, when the price is here, this is the two swing lows. So we have drawn this line. Okay. Whenever price is here, these are the two recent swing lows. We have drawn this line. Okay. Whenever price is here, this one and this one are the two recent swing lows. We have drawn the trend lines. That's the reason of all these trend lines. Okay. Later, which trend line has worked? Which is the trend line that has worked? we got only this trend line worked. Listen this, and this has not worked. This has not worked because we did not get any entries here. We did not get any entries here. The reason is steeper trend lines will not sustain. इसका मतलब है ज्यादा स्टीप हो गए तो ऊपर या नीचे वो सस्टेन नहीं होगा. That will not work. It is highest momentum will not sustain. Okay, the moderate momentum will sustain. आप समझो ये सारा एक ग्राफ है, एक ग्राफ में इसको आधा आधा करेंगे. So this is 45 degrees. Okay, whenever the inclination is moving towards 45, the probability of sustaining the trend line is high. Whenever it is moving away from the 45 to 90, it's again reducing. Okay, got it? Using trend lines only, there are a lot of strategies. This is a resistive trend line. This is a trade we got. Then there is no trade we got and it has broken. Okay. Now there is no entry we got here. It has broken low. Got it? Any doubts on this? Any doubts on this? See, from here to here I have drawn. Okay. So higher chances of getting entry here, higher chances of getting entry here, higher chances of getting entry here. Okay. We got sell entry, very good sell entry here, and this is the result. Okay. Again, higher chances that Reliance is going to get a super duper sell. 10-star sell. When it approaches to this trend line very late, yes, Rajkamal, yes. By default, it is 1:1. It is in your hand to how to reduce the risk reward, how to increase the reward. Location of trade and verifying of the perfect trade. See, trading मतलब ये नहीं है. If you got signal, you must trade. ऐसे नहीं है. Okay. समझो आप लड़की देखने को चले गए शादी के लिए. Do you marry every girl if you see beautiful? Obviously, beauty is the first thing we recognize to marry, right? If you see a beautiful girl, do you agree to marry that immediately? No, right? With that, some more criteria will be there according to your family, according to your father, mother, according to your other sisters and all. Got it? So that's how you are going to filter. If you find only beautiful girl, you will quit there and you will come back. You will get all the criteria are fulfilling. Definitely, you will not miss that girl. Same vice versa also for the women. Women will also never marry by looking only beauty. Okay. Is there anything else? So can we wind up the session? Yes. So you got already timetable of the sessions. Please go through it, and whatever we have discussed now, you are going to get the recording also. Please apply this on the charts, practice it. Okay. And there is a paper trading platform. There is a paper trading platform. I will show you that there is a front page. Okay. There is a front page. See, this is the website, front.page.com. You can sign up and use this to paper trade. Got it? You can use this website to paper trade. Whatever you get in the mind by analysis, you just take a trade. So whether it is a right and wrong, that is different. Pehla trade le lo and write the trades. Every trade you must write. This is the entry, stop loss, target I have taken, and in the side write the reason for your trade. आप क्यों ले लिया? Because it is a trend line. Our trend line plus moving average, our trend line plus candlestick support, whatever you get, write the proper reason. Okay, and also write why you have exited at only that place. समझ में आ गए ना? Okay. There was, so somebody asked what is the please wait. Somebody asked me what is the view for tomorrow in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay. Let us check that. Amanpreet, it is in community. See, this was the election time of election day of the Karnataka, and this is the result day. PKG, you have my number in the community, okay, with the 6089 as a ending number, okay, 9738386089, okay. Any of the technical problems, learning problems, you can send message to this. No other problems. Okay. Price is at the resistance. Price is at the resistance, and this is the scary sell because of the fear and because of the majority got to Congress. This is the confirmation candle we got. Okay, this is daily analysis. Let us move to weekly. In weekly, now tell me what is the percentage of buyers and sellers here? What is the percentage of buyers and sellers? Yes, exactly. So once we cross this, there is a definitely all-time high resistance, but we have some space from here to 18,640. Yes. If we get more buyers, exactly it will go to 18,640. It can go. Okay. in a weekly. There is good consolidation. There is a trap over happened here. Suppose इसके बाद if you get any big inverted bearish engulf, समझो इसके बाद bearish engulf आ गए समझो वीकली पे, there will be a big fall. There will be a big fall. Remember this. I am telling this in weekly. If you get any engulfing, maybe weekly matlab next week, upcoming weeks, if you get any engulf, there will be a big fall. You can hold short positions there. In daily, so in every pullback you can buy until this low breaks. What is that low? 18,045. This is a spot chart. Every pullback you can buy. Every pullback you can add. Okay. As of now, there was a pending move. That pending move has finished. Pending matlab there was a pending move downside. This has finished now. We need up move above this. Okay. If price opens above the Friday's high and moves upside, in the first 5 minutes candle is a small narrow candle and a green candle, then you can use that green candle to buy above the green candle high. Same green candle low is the stop loss. If it is narrow candle, smallest candle. Okay. If not, look at 18,400. If you get any green candles like 1 hour, if it trades bullish Monday, within that 1 hour, if it crosses the high of Thursday, then you can go for long. See what is there here. It is showing some big movement upside. 18,000, 800 tak we can see. Till here we can see market up move. It can be straight move or it can be consolidation and up move, but market is showing upward. Same story here. So there is some problem in the bank nifty, only in the bank nifty. Bank nifty having a stronger resistance. It is very nearby, and I don't feel it will move easily upside. Be cautious until it crosses and closes above this level. So क्या होता है ना? You can see what is this? What is this pattern? What is this pattern? Evening star. What I told to evening star? क्या बोला मैंने? It will create its own resistance, right? तो इसके पीछे कोई रेजिस्टेंस नहीं था, ये खुद अपना रेजिस्टेंस बना लिए है. So from here you can see sell off. Sell is possible from here. And मैं अभी एक बोला, if this breaks, definitely we can see the trend change. Okay. We need a strong confirmation about this green candle. We need 2 to 3 days. It has to trade above that. Okay. You can take a sell at the high of this and the low of this candle. Okay. You can sell. You can take a sell at the high or low of this candle. You definitely get some profits. 100 profits, 100 points at 150 points, definitely will get it. Blindly. If anybody knows to take options, put option, you can take a smaller put option, smaller like 50-60 rupees, that will reach around 120-150 rupees, because that 50 rupees is the total premium stop loss. It is a naked option. Okay, naked option. Only Nifty is stronger and Bank Nifty is weaker as of now. See, the Reliance has moved yesterday. That is the reason Nifty also moved. The next day, tomorrow, if it supports again, it will move. There is a obviously half of the candle resistance high there. Here, red candle, half of the candle. Okay. And this is one more resistance here. Everything is looking to give breakout. If this slips, it will fall more. We will discuss this in upcoming sessions. Tata Motor. There is no strong momentum, sir. There is no strong momentum, and this time, there is a possibility of breaking the high also. There is a probability of breaking the high also, because see, 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth touch. Okay. Caution links are, you see here, it is 20 moving average, simple. It is not EMA, it is moving average, SMA. Reliance having bullish engulfing. Where, sir? Who said this? Where is bullish engulfing, sir? Who said this? Sudhirji. Devendra Mansabdar, sir. No buying as of now, it is at the resistance. You can buy once it breaks the resistance. We already buy that stock in buy. Tata Motors is from 400. 400. I will show you. We have a long positions in the Tata Motors. See, this is where we bought. This is 2023, right? No, we bought here. We bought here. Not today, we bought here in 2022 itself. We are holding this for huge longer targets, more than 1,000 rupees. We have a target of 3+ years. When it moves to 1,000 plus, definitely it is going to be a big blast. First touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, breakout. What is the profitability of next move for this L&T? It is at support. Exactly, if the price moves above the high of this, you can take the buy. L&T can be taken to the buy tomorrow. Even you can consider this for intraday. Plot, sorry. डेली सीपीआर को ऐड करो, छोटा टाइम फ्रेम में चले जाओ. Okay. Then according to the CPR, you can trade. Chetan ji, it is okay that open interest is showing full selling. What if it is not breaking the low? What if it is not falling down? Definitely who created a short positions, we will buy back. They will buy back. Sir, for every analysis, there is some restriction, right? So everything is not 100% right. Whatever I am saying is not 100% right. Whatever open interest is saying, it is not 100% right. Okay. It is a possibility, sir. It does not mean you are 100 kg person and you are bodybuilder. आप आ गए मेरे पास fighting करने के लिए. मैं पतला. Okay. I am somewhere around 75 kg and I am very patla. It does not mean that body person will win, right? There is a chances that he will win and there is a chances he will get what? हार जाने का वो भी एक ये है reason. What if the patla person is Bruce Lee? I will also look this chart for tomorrow, Monday. If I find any entries, I will give you. Okay. Yes, sir. This is yesterday's chart, sir. This is a Friday's chart. It was bearish because it was below CPR. You can see huge. It is what it is saying is tomorrow there is a chance of a trending market in the L&T. Chances. There is a chance of trending market. We can see some exhaustion here. Naveen Kumar, we are providing. We are providing. When there is no opportunity, we will not provide. That day, you need to please wait. Okay. So I am going to wind up the session. Thank you so much for your time in Sundays, that too in Sundays. Thank you, Raj Kamal ji. If you find any problem in the charts, you can message me at that number. Okay, in the live, I will answer. If not immediately, I will answer after some time. Thank you, Ajur Johnson. Thank you, Shekhalendra ji. Shekharendra Kumar. Shekharendra Kumar, sir, where are you from? Are you from AP? Ah, okay, okay. Most Shekhars are from Hyderabad. Guntur, from SPB area. Jupidi, Jupidi. Johnson, I remember you are from Kerala, sir. Mahendra, Mahendra, sir, what is that stock note? Stock note. See, if anybody don't have a facility of adding CPR in your app, then I will tell you one app. Okay, Market Pulse. Add the Market Pulse. Sorry, install the Market Pulse. Okay, in that you will get CPR. It is free of cost. Market Pulse. Market Pulse. Sir, it is CPR. Pawan Kumar Yadav. CPR. Thank you, Tanay. Thank you, Sumitra Madam. Sandeep. You will get all that how to take trade in using CPR. Everything you will get step by step. Okay. So good night, everyone. We will meet in the next session. Thank you so much.